Mitrona, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our fascinating East Punjab series. Today we are looking at part 12. The topic of discussion is Sutlej Bet. Bet region is just around about 5 to 10 kilometers across the river Sutlej from Rupnagar to Harikepattan. That is the fascinating Sutlej Bet region, important geographic region. Physiography is a part of geography that looks at the physical nature of the land habitat region. Mountains, rivers, oceans, water bodies, passes, ghats, plateaus, so on. So, Sutlej Bet physiographic region we are looking at today. Metronome, if you are new to our presentations, I have put a fascinating at South Asia maps East Punjab region, Purbi Punjab region, Indian Punjab region, that is Maghrebi Punjab region, Turp Punjab region across the Red Cliff line. This is the Sutlej Bet we are talking about today. And all these things, Mitronam, you can find at my YouTube channel. These are the what you are seeing here are the playlists. Diverse topics you can pick and choose as per your interest: geography, culture, wars, battles, the railway lines, geographical regions, and human ecology, and boundaries, provinces, states, presidencies, all at South Asia Maps Reddy. This 60 plus playlist each will have around half a dozen to dozen presentations of diverse topics you can explore. I have 540 videos as of 2024 May. You can look at the further to this, and long back I discussed at general 13 physiographic regions of Purbi Punjab. Now we are looking at this part 8 that is specific to across the river Sutlej. There are many Punjabs. There are four Punjabs, three across the Red Cliff, one across the west side of the Red Cliff. We are now centric on East Punjab, the partition based upon Darul Mumin, Darul Harb, Mumin's believers, infidels, non-believers of their ideology, Kafis, Ilm and Jahiliya, and this explored further by Ram Swarup, Sitaram Goyal Coenrad, else works, and you'll get a better idea of the Red Cliff Line to understand the people, culture, heritage. It's a continuation of process of Ghazwa-e Hind, started by Muhammad bin Qasim, conquistador from Mesopotamia, Jazirat al-Arabia. So that is a different perspective they will provide to understand the region. And we will continue to explore particularly geographic region. What is bet? If you have a river here, river brings a lot of silt, that is small minute particles from the upstream in the catchment area, deposits them. That means essentially in the flooded area, because if it's the core river around about 5-10 kilometers, historically when there was not many people and it rained profusely and there is not much human takeover intervention, this happened. Bet is 5 to 10 kilometers across any river. Bias, Bias Bet, Sutlej, Sutlej Bet, Ravi Bet is a local term in Punjab for the new alluvium. Sometimes some areas called Nalli, Nalli or Khadar region, essentially old alluvium. Remember, it floods regularly, brings new thing, so new alluvium. That is Bet region I have demarcated here. This is the Rupnagar headworks where the Sutlej comes into the Punjab plains. Sutlej gathers its tributary Bias at Harikepattan. Downstream, it continues as Sutlej. Previously, Bias not used to join Sutlej. It has its own course. Now it joins. So after the Sangam, of Sutlej and Bias. Still is a Sutlej River. Does the region called Bet? Yes, it is a bet, of course, but I have not included here because it is the union of Bias plus Sutlej. So that's a different story. So because if this is the region that if you move across the river, this is the right bank, this is the left. So on the right bank, you have the Balchor, Navanshar, Philor, Nakodar, Shakot, all these areas. These are the sub-tehsils or parganas, not all of them, some parts of them. Remember, the region itself, from the central point of the river, it won't be more than 5, 8, maximum 5, 8 kilometers on either side. So other side it will be Chamkur Sahib, Ludhiana town, Jagron, and Moga and Jira here. This is the part. So I have mentioned here and those parts alluvium. We can go and look at it more detail. So this is the topographical map. You can see. Always remember the landmark. This is the Harikepattam, the mouth of river Bias. This is the Ludhiana city. You can see the British cantonment where the British has a major establishment. This is the Firozpur town. Again a cantonment. Ambala will be somewhere here. The Ambala. This is the Ambala. This is the Patiala. So this is the Sivalix river. After Bakra Nangal, go to Anandapur Sahib, debouches into Punjab plains. That's the word means the river falls from the mountain region to well, cutting across this Sivalix here, the lower part of Himalayas, the Rupnagar town here. So around about 5-10 kilometers, this is all the Bet region, New Alluvium region, or Khadar region, or Nalli region, Rupnagar to Harikepattan. After that, still you see the previously the old bed of Bias, and bed still continues, but we are not talking about that today because the river continues, the bed has to continue. That's just the geographical region, different names. Rupnagar. So again, you have to remember the landmarks. So this is the Ludhiana, this is the Firozpur, and this is the railway junction. This is the Faridkot, Kotkapura. This is the Sivalix. This is the Rupnagar. This is the Chandigarh. This is the Ambala. This is the Patiala. Across the Ludhiana, it should be Philor town. This is the Pagwara that is in the administrative unit of Kapurthala, Princely State and District now. This is the Jalanda. So this is the region we are talking about, the Bet region. 5 to 8 to 10 kilometers is the Bet region. River is Sutlej Bet region. Harikepattan here, Sutlej River. Rupanagar here, Ropar. You can see that the river. You can see the Bet region. Yeah, the Bet region. So we can see the historical, the same thing. This the Ludhiana is south of the river. Philor is across Rupnagar here. This is the Sutlej River. You see Harikepattan. Sutlej goes Firozpur, Jalalabad, Fazilka. It enters into west of the Red Cliff line. This south is the Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur, that area, Princely State. This is the Pakpatan and Arifwala, Burewala, and so on. This is the Sutlej River continues. The important thing in this bet, you see the Rupnagar. Ropar is a town, now a district headquarters. It used to be in the historic Ambala district. At that place, it was in the British India's territory. At that time, Governor General William Bentinck, I think in 1832 or 34, met Maharaja of Punjab, Ranjit Singh. This place is commemorated this is in the Rupar town. Shahi Mulakat. Mulakat is a rendezvous. You can see here, that's the, I think, French word means meeting of important people. Shahi Mulakat. Shahs are rulers. Mulakat means, this is the Urdu word or Hindustani word for meeting. That's the important thing you can see. So you can see That's the Rupnagar, where Maharaja met this the Sis settlers. Sis means this side of settlers, that is the British territory. Trans means other side of the settlers. That is 1809 treaty imposed on Maharaja by Charles Metcalfe, representative of Governor General of East India Company Bahadur. This is southern boundary. Maharaja cannot encroach it, conquer this, fight the wars here. That Maharaja accepted. Cis settlers, trans settlers, areas, districts. This is the Bet region. Settlers Bet region. The same thing, Sutlej Bet region. See, Ambala district is very big historical district. Jagadri and princely state of Kalsia and Narayangarh and Khadar region and Rupnagar. This is all the historic Ambala district. Now there are many districts like Mohali district and Chandigarh area and Rupnagar district, Narayangarh district, Jagadri district, Yamunanagar district, Ambala and so on. That's the area we are talking about today. Hope, of course, this continues into across the Red Cliff line. This is the Red Cliff line, the Sutlej here. This is the Kasur and Firozpur. This is the uh, Kemkaran here and continues. Southern portion of Sutlej is the Albert region. Southern portion of Sutlej. Remember, already it gathered at Harikapatan, the Bias River. This is the princely state, Abbasiya princely state of Bahawalpur. That's the Bahawal Nagar, Bahawalpur, and Kherpur, and so on. Sorry, not Kherpur, Rahimarka. Thank you very much, Mitrona. Hope this will give you broad. Let me show you a brief the areas because this is the river. This taluks Rupnagar, Navanshahar, Philo, and what is this? Nakodar. On that side, and Jira and Moga. Sorry, no Moga will be there. Jira and Jagadri, Ludhiana on this side, and Samrala. And you can see the modern districts a little more because there are 23 instead of 12. I was mostly referring all these 5-10 kilometers. You can see Harikepadan here, the Jira and Moga and Jagron, Ludhiana, Samrala, Chamkur Sahib, Rupnagar, Palanchor, Navanshar, Phillour, Nakodar, Shakot. So these are the few kilometers across the river is the Sutlej Bet geographic region. Thank you very much, Mitranam, joining me today. If you want to help this channel, you can like it, the contents, and also subscribe it and bring it to the notice of your friends. That will be great help to bring this information to more audience. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next presentation. I think that should be the ninth part, Malwa region of Punjab, south of Sutlej River.